When the printer encounters a paper jam, there will be an E4 error on the control panel. The error E4 will blink on the LCD as shown. So when you see this paper jam error, check on the paper input tray. In this case, you can see that the paper has fit in halfway or partially. Let's do a power off and power on of the printer. Once the printer has completely powered off, power on again. For this case, the paper jam has been cleared. This is the paper that was ejected from the printer. If powering off and powering on the printer doesn't clear the paper that is stuck halfway from the input tray, you may need to check on the input tray itself. First, remove any paper from the input tray. Next, using a torchlight, check for any foreign objects in the input tray. If there isn't any foreign objects, check for any paper that has not been fully ejected on the output area. If there's no paper found, you may need to access the ink cartridge to check for any paper debris. For this case, power off printer. This is to prevent any electrical shock. Be sure to pull out the power cord from the printer. Next, open up the ink cartridge access door and check for debris. As you can see, there's a paper debris over here. You may need to remove that. If after powering on the printer and you still see an E4 error which denotes for paper jam, then the next area to check will be beneath the printer. For this, you need to power off the printer again. First, pull out the power cord from the printer. Next, turn the printer over, and as you can see, there's two latches over here. Lay it flat on its side. To open the door, you need to unlatch it and check for any paper debris. As you can see, there's a piece of paper lodged in this area underneath the printer. So you will need to remove that. Carefully pull out the paper. And discard the paper. Next, you need to make sure that you close the cover and you need to latch it properly as shown. After doing that, you can flip the printer back and try to power on again. As you can see, after powering on, there are no more E4 paper jam error. So this is how you clear the paper jams from the HP DeskJet 2600 series.